Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today's look is going to be this look, as you can see. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you for tuning in. And if you're not already following me on Instagram, here goes my Instagram right here. Y'all, I'm also gonna start scheduling my YouTube videos more often. Like, I think I'm gonna start doing every Monday and Friday. But for now, I'm just gonna be doing every Friday. Because like I do go to school, I do work, and I gotta do my videos as well, and also I do makeup as well on other people. So please bear with me, but I do promise y'all a video every Friday. I actually like this look. Can y'all believe, like, these are not even my lashes, these are falsies. Like yeah, your girl did that, right? Yeah. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's get into this video. Let's come on.
So the first thing I'm going to use is the Thayer's Rose Petals Scented Witch Hazel. This is just to tone my skin and to cleanse it before I apply any makeup on my face. Now I'm going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the color Dip Dark Brown. And I'm going to just outline my brows and just fill them in. You know, the same old. You know, the regular schmegula. My camera ended up going off when I was concealing my brows. But for now, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Hangover X Primer to prime my face for my foundation. The foundation I'm going to be using is the Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation by NYX Cosmetics, and it's in the shade Warm Honey. So I just thought that I put this out there. This beauty blender is like the shit. Like, it's very solid. It's not as fragile as other beauty blenders that I've used before. It's from Morphe. It was $7, but like, y'all, I have like 2 of them. And like, it's worth the $7, and it blends your foundation out flawless, as you can see. Now for my concealer, I'm going in with Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Sculpting Full Coverage Concealer. Like, this concealer is just like super full coverage, super like blendable. It's like really good, and like it lay your shit like leather. This look remind me of the Tarte Shape Tape concealer, but it's not as drying as the Shape Tape concealer. So if you do have dry skin, this is a good concealer for you. Now I'm taking my Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I'm just going to apply my powder where I set my concealer. I don't like baking for too long because I don't want to look like a ghost. So I'm going to dust off this powder, and I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Set Plus Smooth powder to give my skin an even tone look. Now I'm going in with the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. Now for my contour to pop a little more, I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me Blush. I'm going back in with my powder, and I'm going to make my contour a little bit sharper. Since this is an everyday look, I'm using my contour powder as my eyeshadow so I can look even tone with the rest of my face. I don't want to do too dramatic, I don't want to do nothing too dramatic, so I'm going to be using my contour palette powder as my eyeshadow. Now this is for my nose to look a little slimmer. This is just like my personal preference. If you don't want to go back in with your concealer and line your nose up to get that slim nose look, then you don't have to. This is just my personal preference, and this is like what I like to do. Now I'm using the Milani Make It Last setting spray. I'm setting my face early, so like my whole look can just set in early and just everything can look all even. Now I'm going in with my Marc Jacobs black mascara to prep for my false lashes. I honestly think this is eyeliner, but I use it for lip liner. It doesn't matter. Any NYX Cosmetics brown, dark brown eyeliner, dark brown lip liner, it'll go. Inexpensive lip liner I got from Walgreens. I'm just, like relining it up with this to make my liner a little bit less harsh. Now I'm going to add some gloss onto my lips. I got this gloss from the beauty spot store for like 99 cents, and I use it every day, even when I don't have makeup on. Now to complete my lip look, I'm going in with the NYX Cosmetics Butter Gloss. I don't know what shade this is, but it will be listed below in the description box. Now for my highlighter, I'm going to be using Dose of Colors. And I'm just going to apply on my cheekbone, the bridge of my nose, and my brow bones. Now I'm going to be using these Supernatural lashes from Ardell. They're in the number 110. They're black, and I'm going to apply them with Duo Glue. This was my everyday look. I hope this was helpful for the ones who needed this. Please subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you